So hello dear students, in continuation to the motion of reduced mass system under the effect of central forces, today we will study about differential equation of orbit of the reduced mass under the effect of central forces. So we have derived the equation of motion of the reduced mass which is given by mu is the reduced mass of the system, L square upon mu r cube. L is the angular momentum and F is the central force acting on the system. So now this equation has been derived in our previous lecture. Now we will convert this equation into the differential equation. For that we put r is equal to 1 by u. So dr upon dt, which is r dot, it is equal to d upon dt of u raised to power minus 1, because r is equal to 1 by u. So it is minus 1 u minus 2 du by dt. So simple derivative formula. So it is minus 1 over u square du by d theta by dt. So here we multiply and divide the equation by d theta. So it can be written as theta dot. So as we know, L is equal to mu r square theta dot. So theta dot comes out to be L upon mu r square. So we will use this formula here. It is L upon mu r square. Because r is equal to 1 by u, so these two terms will cancel out. So we are left with r dot as minus L upon mu du by d theta. So for simplifying the equation we need r double dot. So we differentiate this once more. Dr dot upon dt, it is d upon dt of minus L upon mu du by d theta. So it is minus L upon mu d upon dt of du by d theta. Here again we multiply and divide by theta, and we are left with du by d theta into d theta by dt. So we multiply and divide by d theta. So now we will have minus L upon mu d2u upon d theta 2. This is theta dot and its value is L upon mu r square. So as r is equal to 1 by u, so when we solve this, it is minus L square u square upon mu square d2u upon d theta 2. This is r double dot. Mu into L square upon mu r cube So if we put r is equal to 1 by u, so variable will change to u, and now f will become a function of new variable u. We take this term on the other side. So the equation will reduce to this is called differential equation of the orbit. Of reduced mass system under the effect of central forces. Solve few numericals on central force problem. Numerical number 1. The equation of orbit of particle of mass m moving under the action of central force about the fixed center is r is equal to 1 by 2 theta. Find the force law. Solution. So this is the first equation related to equation of orbit. As we are given r is equal to 1 by 2 theta and we have used r is equal to 1 by u, so it implies u is equal to 1 by u is equal to 2 theta, and our differential equation is L square u square fu. So we have to solve this differential equation. So we have to differentiate u with respect to theta, it is 2, then double derivative, it is 0. So from equation first and second, what we get? So fu comes out to be so the force law is proportional to u cube. So as r is equal to 1 by u, so fr is equal to 1 by r cube. So our force law follows inverse cube law. So this was a very simple numerical. Second but a little bit tough numerical of the same kind. A body is moving under a central force. Follows a trajectory given by R is equal to A cos theta. Find the force law. So again our differential equation is so we are to solve this equation for the calculation of force law, and we are given R is equal to A cos theta, and we can put R is equal to 1 by U. So U is equal to 1 by A cos theta, which is A secant theta. So as we need double derivative of U with respect to theta, so we do differentiation of U with respect to theta as it is 1 by A. 1 by A, derivative of secant theta is secant theta tan theta. Now we do double differentiation. First function as such, derivative of second function. Second function as such, derivative of first function. So this is 1 by A secant theta, derivative of tan is secant square theta, derivative of this is secant theta tan theta. So we take secant theta common. Inside we are left with secant square theta plus tan square theta. So what is the value of secant square theta plus tan square theta? Yes, this is 1. So we are left with secant theta divided by A. So from equation 1, differential equation, and equation number 2, what we are left with? Secant theta by A. Oh, it is not 1. So now we are to solve this. This is secant square theta minus 1. So it is secant theta divided by A, 2 secant square theta minus 1. So from equation 1 and 2, so when we solve this, secant theta divided by A, so we are left with 2 secant cube theta divided by A. So initially what we assumed, U is equal to 1 by A secant theta. So secant theta divided by A. Secant theta divided by A is U. So secant theta is u divided by a. U into a. So Fu is minus L square u square upon mu 2u cube a cube divided by a. So Fu is minus 2 a square L square u5 divided by mu. So this is our force law that we are to calculate, and we can write force law is proportional to u raised to power 5, as r is equal to 1 by u. So in terms of r, Fr is proportional to 1 by r raised to power 5. So this is our force law.